Stop it, Sydney.
You might be thinking, oh, maybe she's behind on credits, she has to take classes over this summer. No, this was a voluntary decision that I made because I hate myself. Today I had an epiphany of flawed logic in a sense that I have to live with my treacherous decision to do extra school in the summer. So you guys should have to suffer with me because you chose to subscribe to my channel knowing that I'm an idiot. Before we get into everyone's favorite program called Sydney Multitasks by filming a YouTube video and doing her homework like a responsible teen, we need to clean my room. And by we, I mean me, and by need to, I mean I'm just procrastinating because I don't actually want to do my homework. Penn State offers online classes over the summer, so I'm taking 2 of them. Not even just one, I'm taking 2. One of them is econ, and the other is CAS, which is a speech class. Both of them are graduation requirements, so I'm not 100% doing it for funsies, but still a very poor decision on my part. I'm gonna have a heat flash unless I turn on the fan. Sorry if the fan's kind of loud. I'm just not trying to die. But if I died, then I wouldn't have to procrastinate my homework by cleaning my room. And I also wouldn't have to do the homework at all because I would be dead. And I also wouldn't have to continue with my college education because I would be dead. And I wouldn't have to worry about not having a career because I would be dead, and then life would just be good. But I wouldn't have a life because I would be dead. So, something different about classes at Penn State when you take them online over the summer is that they're only 6 weeks, and normally they're 15, which actually I don't know if that's good or bad. You get the pain of the class over a lot faster because in 6 weeks it's like ripping off a band-aid versus 15 it's like slowly pulling each one of your arm hairs off individually until you start bleeding everywhere. Wow, homework really just brings out the darkest side of me. But doesn't it do that for everyone? Because it started on May 13th, that means that I've already gone through 3 weeks, which means that I'm halfway done. And it also means that this video was filmed 2 weeks ago, but I'm just now editing it because I'm the worst and school's a lot, okay? Sorry. However, I'm supposed to get my econ midterm back tonight in like less than an hour, and I don't think she went too hot. And I don't think there's any coming back from her. Whenever you get an unmatched sock, do you just send it back into the laundry? Because that's what I do.
Adrian, Michael, I'm gonna beat your ass.
Oh God. Wake up, Sydney, it's homework time. I'm gonna start off with econ, my favorite subject ever. I need to get ahead because the homework, quizzes, and lessons from this unit are gonna be on the next midterm, and although they aren't due for another 6 days, they're due the same day that the next midterm opens, so I kind of already need to know them. Okay, but I'm a little confused because our online professor broski messaged everyone and said,
12:30.
Yes, it is. He said, "Dear all, midterm review is available now. You can see your scores and review your submissions to see which questions you may have missed, along with feedback on how to get the correct answer. But the grades aren't posted." We're gonna refresh the page, see if that does anything. No. Excuse me, sir, it says it's been muted. Moral of the story, Lil Professor Broski is a liar. And he said our grades are gonna be up, and they're just not. Like, he says they're up and they're not. I'm just feeling a little #unmotivated, don't really want to do my homework if I don't even know what I got on my last exam, so kind of gonna ride that excuse out for the next 10 minutes as I email him. We love finding new ways to procrastinate. Hi, Professor. Just wondering why you decided it would be cool to lie to the entire class about when you were posting the scores. That's really #disrespectful to my religion. Post the scores so that I can just know that I failed already. XOXO, Gossip Girl. Now that we're a good 5 minutes into the video, I should probably stop being a useless slug and just do my work. Where the frick is my pencil? Dang it. That was my favorite pencil. Do you see a pencil? Same.
Okay, in this video we're going to look at the market structure that we call perfect competition.
Tell me my econ professor did not just start this video exactly how every YouTuber starts their videos. Like, do you really have to come for my brand right now?
Okay, we're going to start to put some things together here.
Are we?
We learned about production and cost of production of a firm.
Did we? Here are my notes from that. I'm going to regurgitate this information to you, even though you don't care, so that I can truly learn this, because you do better when you teach someone, whatever. There are 7 assumptions or things that must happen in order for a perfect competition to exist, I guess. There has to be many buyers and sellers, so one individual or firm can't affect the market in a significant way with a purchase. Yeah. They have to produce a product that another firm can make. So it has to be identical across the board, like wheat or something. Buyers and sellers alike have a will to live, which I currently don't have while watching this clip back because it's actually so boring. I don't know why I decided to explain all 7 to you, but just trust me, this clip is horrendous. Learning with Sydney is now over. Okay, bye. My handwriting sucks. I feel like no matter what, everyone's handwriting deteriorates over the summer. And it's honestly tragic because this kind of hurts my eyes to look at. Partially because I don't have my contacts in, so I'm just full on blind right now. Going off of that, if any part of this video is blurry, just know that my entire world is blurry, so.
How do you like them apples?
Sorry, that was a little harsh. It's not your fault I'm not wearing my contacts. I'm just tired, disheveled, lazy. All of the above.
Would you, as a consumer, buy wheat from them when you could get an identical product very easily, just as easily, at a lower price?
No.
No.
Why hasn't the homie written me back yet? I don't even want this grade back. It's just killing me that I'm supposed to know right now and I don't. Yeah! 1 over infinity. Whoa. I follow along with these videos just like I follow along in lecture. I'm literally like, oh yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, oh yeah, okay, I get that. And then I get to the exam and I'm like...
Here comes an important lesson, and this is something you should definitely remember.
Definitely remember. Brain, are you listening? There's 2 parts to this lesson, so that was part 1. Wow, doesn't education just turn you on? Education is my kink, what can I say? I realize that this is definitely just dreadfully boring for you, because it is for me. I'm gonna catch up with you guys after I finish the second part of the lesson, and then maybe we can like frick around and take the quiz together, I don't know. I'm hungry. Don't ask me why I was craving applesauce. It's probably just because we ran out of Doritos. For econ, all I have left is the lesson quiz, which you do after you finish every lesson. So there's multiple parts per lesson, but I freaking did that, folks. So now I just gotta test my knowledge, but can't say it will go super well. All right, well, let's blow this popsicle stand. Do you think I'm gonna get a 100? Yeah, I don't think so either. All right. Why was nothing cracking? In a perfectly competitive market, there are many firms. Too easy. While I am flying through this, I must just really want to sleep or something. Which of the following is always true for a perfectly competitive firm that is maximizing profits? Low-key kind of forget. Minimizing is that. MR equals MC. Why isn't that? What? I'm pretty sure it's that one. YOLO.
It's 3 o'clock.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I literally am just stuck on one question and I'm just sitting here completely brain dead. I think that's it. I think that's it. I think that's it. Got him. Got a thickie 100 on that, so I need to go to bed. This video definitely sucked. I'm so sorry. I don't know why I thought doing homework would be fun, because it's not, but subscribe. If you want to check out my other social media, you know where to find me. I'm boring on there too, so if you're into squares, that's where I'll be. Okay, that's it. Bye.
Swallow, swallow.